everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Suze. Today I'm going to be making over my master bedroom. Most of the furniture today that I'm going to bring in will be from Kmart. I wanted to do this bedroom in a Hampton style theme, but it was way out of my budget, unfortunately. Today I'm going to be using a few pieces in the oak range from Kmart. I have a oak TV unit which wasn't purchased from there, that was from eBay. I'll be using a chair, a little stool, I can't remember what it's called. I'll get back to you on that. I'll be bringing in just different pieces. The color scheme will be white, oak, greens and golds. I'll also be doing a feature wall, which will be light gold geometric on the wall over here. So I will pan around and show you the room so you can see what it looks like before, and I will go through some pieces with you in a moment. I just wanted to do a quick disclaimer. Most of the products that will be in this room today were already in here. So for the purpose of this video, I've taken everything out of the room. I will be adding in just a couple of things, but majority of the products today have been purchased prior to today. I haven't just gone out and spent hundreds of dollars on furniture or anything like that. This is just a way to show you how you can style your room with Kmart furniture or any furniture that you can get your hands on at the moment, with stores being quite low in stock. If you're interested in seeing how I do this, please keep watching. So this is all of the stuff I'll be using today. Most of this was already in my room, so I will be just bringing it all back in after I've done the wall to show you how it's been styled, and hope you like it. Okay, so this is the wall I will be doing the geometric pattern on. I just wanted to mention that all of the products I'm using today I have not been sponsored by. I just really like using them because they're great products. Today I'm using frog tape. What we will be doing is taping up the wall where I want the lines to be. I'm mixing my own acrylic paints for this because Bunnings sell metallic paints, which are great if you're doing a full wall, but they are about between $60 and $80 depending on which one you choose. So I will be mixing my own acrylic paint, gold and silver, and popping that on the wall instead. Okay, so all the taping's done now. I'm going to start painting. I'm going to mix my paint and I will show you that in just a second. So I've mixed the paint. It's going to be a very light, pale, pearlescent gold. Hopefully just show up on the wall. I didn't want anything too bright gold in case I didn't like it, to be honest. I'm going to start painting now and we'll see how it looks when I finish. Okay, so the wall's done and I'm starting to bring the bed in now. All of the tape is down and I'm pretty happy with my final product. Now I'm going to start bringing in the curtains and I will slowly show you how I style the room. Okay, so we purchased Oak Look storage bench at Kmart for $49 a while ago. They still have them in stock though. And we use it for our charging station for our children's iPads. They kept taking them into their rooms at night time. This was a clever way to have them all together to make sure they couldn't do any cheekies. end of the video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I will get around to doing some other rooms in my house as well. If there was any products in this video that you'd like to know more about, please leave me a comment below. And thanks for watching.